Google just changed login forever, introducing selfie sign in. Have you ever been locked out of Google account because of you lost your phone or couldn't receive a verification code? Well, Google has introduced a brand new solution called selfie video sign in. Instead of relying only on password or recovery codes, you can now record a short selfie video during setup. The process is simple. Just look into your camera and follow a few guided head movement so Google can capture your face from different angles. Later, if you ever get locked out of your account, you will simply record another selfie video. Google's AI compresses your new video with the one you originally saved to verify that it's really you. This gives you another secure way to regain access to your account. Now, you might be wondering, is this safe? Google says yes. Your selfie video is encrypted, securely stored with your permission, and you can delete it whenever you want from your Google account settings. It's only used for account recovery unless you choose to allow additional users. To protect against fake photos and AI-generated deepfakes, Google also record live head movement and use multiple security checks to make sure a real person is signing in. These new features joins other secure login methods like passkey and recovery contacts, giving users more flexibility and fewer chances to getting permanently locked out. If your account is eligible, you can enable selfie video sign in today by visiting z.co/sign-in-selfie. So what do you think? Would you trust Google with a selfie video to protect your account? Let me know in the comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and tech updates.